So unfortunately, you should probably just hold your own Bitcoin, right?
Naka shares plunge 54% in a day, reinforcing investor exhaustion towards Bitcoin Treasury companies. The stock peaked above $15 in late August before beginning a precipitous decline that accelerated throughout September. The shares slumped to $1.28 on September 15th, down 54% in the past 24 hours and 90% in a month. The firm, famously launched by David Bailey, who owns BTC Magazine and Let's Talk Bitcoin, among others, was said to hold Bitcoin with an exciting plan to sell Bitcoin when it was hot and buy it when it was low. Perhaps not directly reacting to that plan, but reacting to the idea of Bitcoin treasury companies in general. Dan, Eve, what do you think about the decline of Naka shares, which was quite a celebration on Twitter?
Yeah, definitely got quite a hype, right? Didn't even Adam Back invest into it? Did I read that right?
There was lists of investors, including Adam
Big
Back,
names, yeah.
Jameson Lopp, friends of the show, also people who claim to own only Bitcoin, suddenly investing in these Bitcoin treasury companies. As I heard, so many people were making money off of MicroStrategy stock when I was still on the side saying, hey, I thought we were all in Bitcoin. You guys still have stock money?
Yeah, I can understand like diversifying slightly into something that's mainly Bitcoin and has its own income stream. But for companies that pretty much just hold Bitcoin and that's it, right? Because it sounds like wasn't it a takeover of a like a pharmaceutical company? Did I read that right? That it was originally, or am I? Is that completely wrong? It was an original company.
Apparently, I think it's to get the stock ticker and to get on the
Yeah.
market
Oh,
faster.
right. Okay.
They
Yeah.
were
Yeah.
able to take something called Kindly MD
That's it.
and quote convert that into Nakamoto, this Bitcoin stock holding company. I'm not sure that they got more than just the name.
Yeah.
I'm not sure they're offering healthcare anymore.
So kind of like how I think back in 2017, 2018, I think it was around that time, like one of the companies, Voyager, which was previously, I can't remember another, it launched off a different token name, but they took over a Canadian sort of already registered bank. So that gave them the conduit to be already regulated and stuff like that. So it sounds like this was one of those scenarios. But it, they're 90% down, right? So even if you bought Bitcoin at its all-time high, that would only be $12,000 now if it dropped 90%, and it's not $12,000, it's 115,000. So it really does seem better, right?